Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about this wonderful design, the Extreme Panga Sport. Here is a real Locomarine. A real Locomarine is the manufacturer of this model. This is the first model, 14 feet. The 21 feet is coming. I am here with Danny Rodriguez, the CEO of this company, the fabricator, the manufacturer, the designer of the Panga. Danny, how are you?
How you doing, Alvaro?
Oh, nice. Danny, this is a wonderful boat. It's a magnificent boat, and it's ready. The boat is finished.
Yep. I already sea trialed it. I've done everything. It rides nice, sits nice on the water.
Okay, perfect. And the boat is available if you visit our website in reallocomarine.com. If you write to the WhatsApp of Danny, you can ask him about the prices, about some particular features, about the engine, the performance. It's a fantastic boat. Danny, in comparison with other boats similar to this one, what is the big advantage of this boat with other tender, with other dinghies?
Well, this one here, as far as weight's a factor, our dinghy plain center tiller model without the motor is 600 pounds.
This is the tiller model.
And that's the tiller. This one has a 40. I'm probably not going to do 40s anymore. It's just too much power. It also weighs too much. So I've been thinking about the 130 horsepower Tohatsu because it weighs 100 pounds less than this 40. And so weight's a factor. So I have a better weight ratio, power ratio. And then we'll try it with that one. But basically, this is a perfect little tender boat because it's lightweight. And then not only that, you want to go backcountry fishing in really shallow water. This is a great boat for shallow water, or just cruising around. Perfect sandbar boat.
And this is a boat full of details, as you can see on top of this video. A lot of high performance details. This is that motor in terms of design is the motor recommended for this boat. However, because the performance of the hull, that motor is too much. Probably 30 horsepower is enough for this design. This is excellent. It's not. What is the weight of this?
The one with the tiller is just 600 pounds.
600 pounds. All right, without engine.
Yeah, without the engine.
Without the engine.
Just the hull, and that's
magnificent. Okay, if you want to order, if you want to ask more particular details about this Panga, you can. The length is 14 feet?
14.2 feet.
And the width?
And the width is about almost 6.
Or almost 6. That's perfect.
It's a narrow boat. It's the design. It's the original. It's an original Panga, just been modified.
Yeah.
To make our U.S. standards, quality. Everything's fit and finished inside the compartments, even on the top of the.
Yeah, you can
floor.
see the details that we offer here.
Details is pretty intense.
It's fantastic. Danny, what is the purpose of this boat? This boat was designed exclusive to be like a tender?
Yeah, tender and small backcountry. Backcountry.
That in the Caribbean.
Oh, this is perfect.
This is perfect for Caribbean, no?
In the shallow water, going through the mangroves.
Yeah. I want that you ask him in this WhatsApp questions about the performance of the boat. But this is a rigid boat. The reinforcement, the design is, in my opinion, fantastic. Okay, guys, please visit the website of Real Locomarine. Ask to Danny Rodriguez in the WhatsApp all the questions that you wanted. Ask about the prices. If you want to visit, it's here in Pompano Beach. It's wonderful facilities, easy to see the boat, and you can do some modification for each customer.
Yeah, absolutely. I can tailor it to however you want. That's what's nice.
Yeah.
These are tailor-made boats. You'll see some of the pictures on our website, reallocomarine.com. You'll see that I have where it says boat
a lot
sales.
Of details,
a lot of details
about that.
there. Correct.
And also in the electrical portion, the design of the electrical, the pipes, the routing pipes, the rigging is incredible.
It'd be nice. Absolutely.
Okay, guys, please visit the website at reallocomarine.com or check the website. Ask a lot of questions. Danny is ready to adapt the boat that you need for your business.
Absolutely. You can send us an email as well.
Thank you, Danny.
Thank you, Al.
All right.